If you've ever struggled with mismatched image sizes in your PowerPoint slides, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to resize all your images to the exact same size quickly and easily. This method works perfectly in the latest version of PowerPoint, so you can keep your slides looking professional and consistent. First, insert or select the images you want to resize, hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac, and click each image to select them all at once. Once they're selected, head to the Picture Format tab on the top ribbon. On the far right, you'll see the Size group. Here you can type in the exact dimensions you want. For example, if you set the height to 3 inches, all selected images will adjust to that height. If you want to make sure the proportions stay correct, check that the Lock Aspect Ratio option is enabled. This way, when you change the height, the width adjusts automatically to keep the image from looking stretched. If you prefer them all to have the exact same width and height, you can uncheck this box and enter both dimensions manually. That's it. All of your images will now be perfectly uniform, saving you the hassle of resizing them one by one. So next time you're creating a presentation, use this quick trick to keep your slides clean and polished. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to try it right away in your next project and keep your workflow efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.